It's packed here at Bloemfontein, and saying it's packed is probably an understatement, as this ground has filled quite quickly.
Everyone in Bloemfontein is down here at Grey College to watch this encounter.
Hierdie naweek is groter as wat ons almal dink, is groter as wat ons almal kan raak sien. Dis 'n naweek wat die toekoms van Grey gaan bepaal. So laat daai bietjie insig.
Let's go make a proper memory here. And let's go and remind these guys that this is not just another game. This is a special place and with special people that are backing you guys.
So gaan uit daar. Wees die beste wat jy kan wees. Fight tot die bittere einde.
Scintillating, stupendous.